Hi, today we're eating Samyang Buldak, the black one. It's really spicy, so it's really spicy, so I put I put Nestle cream on mine. Oh, oops.
But dahil abi ko luto
So it looks like this.
cream.
It's less spicy for me because I can't handle spice. Cheers! Itadakimasu! So yummy.
Ice cream yummy.
It's still spicy. Still spicy for me.
Okay.
Oh. It's so yummy, but it's so spicy. I can't. I have chicharron here.
Okay.
So yummy, but it's so. This is the chicharron and the samyang noodles.
Chicharoni.
So this is what we're eating. The Buldak hot chicken flavor ramen. And I also got this, so we're gonna try this tomorrow. Our spice tolerance is level 1.
Nalipong na ko.
Okay, siya pa.
Ano kung nahubog? Ako pa nan okay. Marag padong na mo kuan. Ma-blur.
Last bite. Last bite.